Hey guys, welcome back again. So in the previous video we saw that how do we handle click events on our recycler view, and we have implemented this on click events using an interface inside Kotlin. So now in this video let's see that how do we pass this object, that is a movie object, to a second activity or to a new activity. And our movie object contains two items or two properties, that is the name of the movie and the rating of the movie. So let's go back to our Android application here, and here we see that we are inside our main activity. So firstly let's go and let's create a new activity. So let's go here, right click new activity, and this should be an empty activity like this, and let's name this activity new activity like this, and the source language is of course Kotlin. So now let's click on finish here, and this is a Git thing, don't worry about this. So let me add it here. And now here we are inside a new activity. So let's open the layout of the new activity, and we see that it is an empty activity or the layout is empty. So let me drag in a text view here. So let's drag in a text view here. So let me drag in a text view here, and let's center it horizontally and vertically in the parent. So vertically in the parent, and let's change the text appearance or the text size to be large so that we can see what's inside the text view. And we see that this text view has an ID of text view, as we can see here. So this is an ID of text view. So now that's all what we are going to do in the layout file of the new activity. So let's close this. And now whenever we click this item, that is any item, we want this movie, the object, to be passed to the new activity that we have created. So let's go back again to the main activity, and here we have initialized the movie list here inside the onCreate method. As we can see here that this is the onCreate method, and inside this thing we are initializing our movie list that has been passed to our recycler adapter as a movie list here. So since we want to use this movie list inside this onClick function, so what can we do now? So we can initialize this movie list, or we can declare this variable, that is the movie list, at the top of this class, that is this main activity. So we can remove this var from here, and we can say movie list equal to array list of, and we need to initialize this movie list here at the very top. So what we can do, we can simply say late init var and movie list, and this is of type of array list which contains movies. And what this late init means, it means that this variable is not null. That is for sure that this variable is not null, but it should be initialized sometime very soon. So since we are initializing this variable, that is this movie list, inside our onCreate method, so we are sure that this variable is not null. So it means that this variable would be initialized very soon. So that is the reason why we are putting this late in it, because we are initializing this variable very soon as the onCreate method is created, or as soon as the onCreate method is called from our main activity. So now everything works fine. So now whenever we click this item, we want to get a movie from that item, from that click pose, from that row. So we can say val movie equal to movie list, and here we need to pass in the position, that is the current position on which we clicked. And now we have the movie. So now let's create a new intent. So let's create an intent like this. So val intent equal to intent, and this intent is from this activity to new activity :class.java, like this. And now we need to put this movie inside this intent. So what we can do, we can do something like this. So intent dot put extra, and here we need to provide in the name. So we can provide in the name like this, that is movie, and then we need to provide in the movie itself like this. So this is fine, but it is saying that there is an error because this movie cannot be packaged inside this intent. So to do that, what can we do? We can go to our movie class, and we can simply make this class serializable. So to make the serializable, what we can do, we can simply implement the serializable interface. So we can do something like this, that is add serializable like this, and now this movie class implements serializable interface. So now let's go to our main activity, and we see that that error is gone. And now we see that we have passed the name of this extra as movie. So what we can do, we can create a variable inside our new activity so that we can reference that variable from our main activity. So what we can do, we can create a companion object here, and basically these companion objects are like statics inside Java. So we can create a variable called movie. So val movie name would be equal to movie past, or simply movie, or let's call it past, like this. And we can use this name, that is val movie name, inside this main activity or inside this name thing here. So what we can do, we can simply say new activity dot movie name, and basically this is only a string, that is this string, that is movie past, so that we can use this movie name inside this onCreate method. So now we can start the activity. So we can simply say start activity, and we can pass in the intent here like this. And now let's go to our main activity or to our new activity, and here we can get that extra from the intent. So what we can do, we can get the intent extra like this. So val movie equal to intent dot get serializable extra, and here we need to pass in the name of the extra, so that the name of the extra is movie name, that is initialized here inside the companion object. And here we need to cast it as movie, that is Kotlin doesn't know that what type of serializable extra this movie name is, but we know that this extra is of type of movie, so we can cast this serializable extra as movie like this. And now we can use our text view that is coming from activity new.xml, text view dot text equal to movie like this, or movie dot toString like this. And now we can run our application, and let's see that if we are able to see the new activity with the movie that was selected. So let's go back to our application here. And now if we click on Iron Man, we are inside the new activity, and we can see the name of the movie, that is Iron Man, and rating equal to 7. And now if we click on Thor, the Dark World, we can see the name of the movie is Thor and the rating is 8. So guys, this is how you pass data between your activities using Kotlin and using intents and using serializable interface. So guys, that's all about this video. So if you have liked the video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can support me on patreon.com. I'll provide the link in the description below. So thank you, bye bye, tata, take care, and have a good day.